If you are looking to do your own thing, if you are looking to build more freedom, whether that's financial freedom, time or location freedom, and you are considering if starting an online coaching business is the right move for you, then you are the person I made this video for. So in this video, I'm gonna give you my top 8 reasons to start an online coaching business. And my goal is by the end of it, you'll be able to have a better idea in your mind if this is the right path that you wanna take for you. After trying many different kinds of business models online over the past decade, for me, I have discovered that the online coaching business by far is the most profitable and the most rewarding and something that I can do in the least amount of time. So reason number 1 is online coaching has super high profit margins. Really, all you need to get started is a Zoom account and a social media account. That's it. The most that you're gonna invest to get up and running is to learn how to do it, really. It's in your education, whether that's through online courses or hiring a coach or a business consultant to help you. Usually pays for itself by the time you get a couple clients. The second reason is online coaching has super low overhead. You don't have to have any physical products that you need to purchase in advance, have in a warehouse somewhere, and then pay for shipping. None of that. Like, your moneymaker is your expertise, and you just need to show up on Zoom and then coach your client. That's it. Reason number 3 is you can create your own schedule. I love being able to do what I want whenever I want to and choose my own working hours. You can charge a premium for your expertise. You can literally work a part-time schedule, but create a full-time income. I'm living proof. You can do it, and it's awesome. Number 4, online coaching is extremely scalable. Most people start with one-on-one coaching. So it's just you and one other person, and you can charge either by the hour or you can charge for an entire package, like let's say a 12-week one-on-one coaching program. You get one client, you get another client, you start getting several clients. You will get to a point where you reach your max capacity. And then at that point, you can transition to group coaching because now you've created demand. Once you get into the group coaching realm, that just like skyrockets your growth and how much money you can make in a short amount of time. By the way, number 5 is my absolute favorite. I'm gonna share a concept with you. We've even got paper ready to draw a sketch because the first time that I heard this thing, it like blew my mind and I was like, whoa. So you're gonna wanna stick around. Okay, now number 5 is my favorite and I'm super excited to talk about this. So it is the passive income potential. Now, I have spent years trying to crack the passive income code and I figured it out. I learned this from Myron Golden, and it's a thing he calls the window of wealth. And this is where the online coaching and then building the passive income, like an online course, really comes together. So let me show you what I mean by that. So here's Haj. This has a job. This is an employee, okay? OAJ, somebody who owns a job. OAS is somebody who owns a system. SMS, sow money seeds, invest. Now, most people start off having a job where they're an employee. Then they go to, I don't want to do this anymore. I really want to work for myself and become an entrepreneur. So then they start their own thing, and what they have is they own a job. Now, to be quite frank, this is what an online coach is. The online coaching industry, the only thing that I don't like about it is that it is in this category. It is owning a job because you do have to show up at a certain time and be somewhere. It's not just making money in your sleep, it's active income, not passive income. And I also understand how it plays into this window of wealth. When you do online coaching really well and you've had a lot of clients, you can then move to this window, which is owning a system. And you can do that through online courses, ebooks, anything that is a digital product that you can create once and then it makes you money in your sleep over and over and over again. That's passive income. So now you own a system. And then when you have passive income coming in, now you're building your wealth, and then you can take that money and then move over here to the SMS part of the window, which is investing your money, and then, money creates more money, and then this is how you build wealth. Number 6 is the ability to control your income. Now, unlike a job where you have to go and ask your boss for a raise, and you usually only get the opportunity to do that once a year, when you are an online coach and you are doing your own thing, you get to set your own prices. You determine how often you work. You can increase how many clients you accept per month. You can scale and go from one-on-one coaching to group coaching. Like, sky is the limit for how much you can make. So for example, let's say that you're starting off with a coaching program that is $5,000 per client. And let's say for the first couple of months, you're really happy with taking on one client a month. Okay, so you're making $5,000 a month. Awesome. Now, let's say you want to make $10,000 a month. All you have to do is have 2 clients a month, and poof, there you go. You just doubled your salary for the month. The potential to just raise your income and be in control of that and decide when and how you're going to do it versus having to ask your boss for like, $1 raise per hour every year is just, it speaks for itself. Number 7 is there is minimal tech required. Like we talked about before, you just need a Zoom account and a social media account. Really, that's it. And you don't need to be tech savvy at all. You don't need to build a website. You don't need to know how to do all these fancy funnels until you're ready to scale. So if you are not tech savvy, that is okay. And number 8, it is extremely rewarding and a way to feel really fulfilled and like you're waking up, flying out of bed with purpose in your life. At least that's how I feel. When you're an online coach, really what it is you are taking somebody from point A to point B. And the best way to do that is by using the talents that you already have, things that come easily to you, that you can easily help other people with. You're in the flow, you're doing things that come easily to you, and then you are helping somebody reach a goal that they want to achieve, that they didn't know how to do without your help. Like the other day, for example, I got a text from a client saying, I just got my first high ticket client. She landed a $1,000 sale. And I called her immediately and had like a wah moment. And we celebrated together and, tears of joy and everything were happening because it is so exciting. Like when I can help somebody get their first sale or, make their first video on social media that they were terrified of putting out into the world because they had no confidence and they were full of self-doubt. And when I can help somebody break through that barrier and then achieve that goal and then see results from it, like it is so rewarding. So those are my top 8 reasons for starting an online coaching business. And if you do decide to go down this path, then you may want to check out this video, which talks about landing your first high ticket client, why it's not as hard as you think. See you next time.